METAquant 4D, your all-in-one scalping solution. In the fast-paced world of finance, traders often engage in passionate debates about the merits of short-term trading, such as scalping, versus the stability of long-term investing. At the heart of this debate lies a critical question: where can you achieve the best results and, ultimately, financial success? Introduction. In this article, we dive deep into this discussion, exploring the diverse realms of short-term trading and long-term investing. While both approaches have their unique merits, we're here to unveil the secrets that can turn short-term trading, especially scalping, into a highly profitable venture for those armed with the right tools and strategies. The long-term perspective. One of our friends, RW, an experienced trader, recognizes the allure of long-term investing. The long-term approach offers a time advantage, allowing investors to capitalize on asset growth over extended periods. It's a method celebrated for its safety and reliability, albeit requiring significant patience. The scalping game. On the flip side, we have short-term trading, notably scalping. Scalping involves executing rapid trades, often within minutes or even seconds, with the aim of profiting from minor price fluctuations. As our conversation highlights, diving into scalping without proper preparation can lead to less than ideal outcomes. The secret ingredients for scalping success. Access to data. Successful scalping hinges on having access to the right data. Market depth data level 2, coupled with tick-by-tick volume data, serves as your window into market dynamics, unveiling hidden orders, liquidity, and trends that can make or break a trade. Real-time tools. Scalping demands real-time precision. Leveraging cutting-edge tools that provide instant market insights empowers you to act swiftly and accurately, staying ahead of market moves, a paramount aspect of short-term trading. Masterful execution. In scalping, execution reigns supreme. Minimizing trading costs through precise execution is key. Achieving tight spreads and minimal slippage is the goal, and mastering execution techniques can lead to significant improvements. Exposure management. Scalpers limit exposure by holding positions for extremely short durations. This approach mitigates risks associated with prolonged market exposure, aligning perfectly with the rapid pace of scalping. Regular iteration. Scalping isn't about occasional big wins, it's about consistent gains. Develop a systematic, repeatable strategy that avoids overtrading driven by greed. Automating these strategies using machine learning and AI algorithms can enhance your trading edge. METAquant 4D, your all-in-one scalping solution. While long-term investing offers a proven path to wealth, scalping, when executed with precision and equipped with the right tools, can yield substantial profits. METAquant 4D holds the key to scalping success, providing a comprehensive solution for traders. With METAquant 4D, you gain access to real-time 4D market visualization, encompassing market depth data level 2, tick-by-tick volume data, and cutting-edge AR/VR features. Bid farewell to transaction fees, data feed fees, and hosting server charges while supercharging your scalping strategies. METAquant 4D equips you to master the art of scalping and unlock its profit potential. Whether you opt for long-term investing or short-term scalping, METAquant 4D empowers you to make informed decisions and seize opportunities in the ever-evolving financial markets. The choice is yours, and METAquant 4D stands as your strategic ally on the path to financial success.